The Convocation of ICFAI University, Meghalaya, was held in Tura on the 29th of April 2023, where the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K Sangma, graced the occasion as chief guest. During the event, 544 degrees were conferred upon the postgraduate and undergraduate students, while 15 students were awarded gold medals, 18 silver medals were awarded to rank holders, 6 students were awarded the General Proficiency Prize, and 40 of them received merit certificates.
And I'm sure there are many of you who have done exceptionally well, and there may be some of you who may not have done as well as you wished or had hoped to. Well, let me tell you a good thing and a bad thing. The good thing is those who have accomplished and come out with great grades, I'm sure you will be very, very happy. And I'm sure that will take you a long way in your life and in your career. But also let me tell you that the ones who feel that they did not do as well as they had hoped to, well, let me tell you that it does not matter as much as you may think it does. Qualification, grades, intellectual capacity, your overall brains, grasping power, these are all very, very crucial and very important in life. And I'm sure that you will get an advantage in terms of how you move forward. But the good and the bad part about all of this is that it is less than 50% of what will determine where you go in life. And I hope that you will be able to contribute to the growth story of Meghalaya, which will be, as I said, the transformational years for our state, and we will be also part of this huge growth story of our country. As mentioned by the Chancellor, the growth story of India is something that is just amazing. In the last 5 years, India is now becoming a manufacturing hub. We are one of the most stable economies in the country, in the world today. A large number of countries are going through recession or will go through recession. But the estimates are that India may be one of the few countries and will be the fastest growing economy even during the difficult times of recessions which the global economy may face.